Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 296. And this is going to be a quick one. I'm going to share the mini masterpiece for the month, as well as all the specials that are going on. It is like a crazy busy month for sure. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome. So during the video premiere, I'm in the chat room with my friends, so head on over there. That's where we'll be. If you are watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, leave it below, and then YouTube will let me know when I can reach out to you. So yeah, I just got finished eating a chocolate donut. Now that is not going to help me lose weight, is it? Oh my gosh. All right. So like I said, this is just going to be a quick little video to share all that with you. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you ask me. Otherwise, let's get started. So close your eyes for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Okay. So first off, we have an awesome offer. So starting February the 3rd today through March the 2nd, if you join my team, you will get the free Stampin' Positioner in your starter kit. So this is an awesome time to join. And I showed it the other day. Now, Friday for my dies shorts, I will show it better. So I just want to, kind of go over what you'll get. So this is the Stampin' Positioner. You've got your little magnets. I love that they have these little hand, where you can pick it up. And it just has kind of like a springboard. Very, very cool. And then you have a smaller plate that does the same. So you will get this in your starter kit for free if you join my team starting today, February the 3rd through March the 2nd. And let's see, you can also, now the grid paper does not come with the Stampin' Positioner, but you could add it. So you could put the grid paper in your starter kit. And it has a little dots, so it just slides on there. It is super cute. All right, but like I said, Friday I will show it better. All right, so hey, bonus days. So in January, you were earning a $5 coupon code for every 50, I believe, that you spent. And then Stampin' Up! Would email you the code. And then starting February 3rd till the end of the month, you want to redeem those codes. Excuse me. Hang on. I'm getting to drink water. Oh my gosh. So I have been this morning working on my shopping order to redeem my codes. And then I just saved my emails. No, I don't have your codes. So, I told you to keep those in an email. I have them in a saved email. I also printed them. So I'm just working on my order. But so make sure you don't let those expire. And have fun shopping, that's for sure. All right. Then we have a new product of the month for February. And this one is the Painted Illusions. And it's 12 by 12 DSP. Doesn't that look cool? Oh my gosh. And so you have to order 75 before tax and shipping. And then you can get the product of the month for $5. And then you just add that to your cart. It doesn't automatically get added because you do have to pay $5 for it. So don't forget to put that in your cart. If you didn't get last month's and you're not interested in this one, you can still get last month's till they run out of those. But you can only do one product of the month per $75 order, and you can only get one product of the month style, right? Like you could place two $75 orders in the month, but you would only be able to get this one time. All right, and that just kind of keeps the quantities under control. So, somebody doesn't go in and order 50, and then the next person can't get any because they're all gone. So, all right, and then this is just another little Stampin' Positioner. It kind of shows it being used. I'm excited to share that with you on Friday. We have 2 new kits as well. We have the Happy Happenings, and it's $24, and it makes these really cute ovally shaped cards. And then we have the Best Ever kit, and it does 6 cards. And this one's 13. Now this one doesn't have a stamp set. These are already got the writing on them. This one does have a spot and a stamp set. So that is super cute. All right. And then let me show you the mini masterpiece. Now last month, so I will be working on these to get in the mail to you with your thank you card for January. So this was January's with the cute little Raggedy Ann and Andy. I love that. So like I said, I'll be working on those. I always wait till my reports are finalized because, you know, things change. And then I sit down and I go, okay, I need to make, you know, X amount of little mini masterpieces to go with your thank you cards. But these 2 are so cute. So I just have that sitting on my desk so I don't forget. And then for the month of February, I could not resist using the cute little Valentine Kisses bear. Oh my gosh. Isn't he or she adorable? And then I put the little bird there. I just drew some grass. So he's standing there. I love his little smirk. So this will be the February 2026 mini masterpiece. So to earn a mini masterpiece, you have to order 75, and this is from me, 75 before tax and shipping in the month of February. Now, mine are a little bit different. You know, like I was mentioning that, you know, like Stampin' Up has rewards. If you order 50, you know, you were getting rewards last month. That was a single order. Same with like, hang on, let me talk. Let me talk to you instead of you listening to my hands. All right, so the product of the month, because the product of the month there is basically a new thing that started in December. So I know if you're new, maybe you're coming back to Stampin' Up, go, well, this is different. So you have to order 75 before tax and shipping in a single order to get the product of the month. But for my mini masterpiece, this cutie patootie little bear, let's see if it'll like focus on that. There he is. Hello. Hello. You need to order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of February, but it just has to be 75 in the month. So you might order $50, you know, today because you need some stuff. And then you order, you know, 30, you know, down the road in the same month. Those 2 orders together come to 75, so that counts. And that's why I also wait till my report's done because, you know, I wait till the orders are in because you might have ordered multiple times, which made it come to that, you know, $75 before tax and shipping. Now, keep in mind, if you are using your bonus coupons, you know, and it's taking that $5 off, it has to be, you know, it has to be the 75 in order to get the product of the month, you know, on my mini masterpiece. So after you use the $5 coupons, you might bring your order down to $60. So you do have to keep that order at that $75 level to get the product of the month, right? So I know that's a lot of blabbing, but I just want to make sure you're clear on that. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. Also, if you didn't get a mini catalog, let me know so I can get that in the mail to you. I had a couple people email me and say, I didn't get my catalog. And I'm like, So make sure you holler at me so I can check on that and get another one sent to you. Because they did start in January. So, all right. So I think that's all I wanted to blab about today. So I will see you Friday with my Dies Shorts. And that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. And like I said, I'm going to play around with the Stampin' Positioner. Show you some tips and tricks with it. All right, so have a good rest of the week. I got to get back to my taxes. And I will see you then. All right. Bye for now.